What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be showing the fastest and easiest way on how to get research points for new players. So all you need, if you're new, is a small backpack, a crow, any sort of like melee weapon that can do damage to the research points. I don't recommend bringing a stick or bone because those break. And then if you have these unlocked, get dynamite, any sort of dynamite. I recommend trying to unlock the cube dynamite because it doesn't really roll versus to the frick. The other one. Only because this one is cubed and that one's I forgot what it's called. I'm kinda stupid. You can get 2 or 3. I'm gonna just get 2. And let's keep going. And if you're like good at the game and you just want fast, you can just do this, have a grappler. You could do any type of backpack. You could do a pickaxe. Anything if you have this stuff unlocked. But if you're new, here's what you've got. And if you want to, you can bring the light. But I'm not gonna. You can obviously mine gold on the way if you want. There might be monsters. Sometimes there isn't, sometimes there is. Just like there's this girlfriend. But I didn't bring the light. You just want to make your way over to here. I recommend just going over here. And just going here. You might need some parkour skills to do this. But once you made your way to the place called Terry, see, if you're like, no, I just used it. It's good if you're not new. I mean, if you are new, it's good to make your way over to the research unit, I guess. Call it. It doesn't really have the best gravitational so it's just kind of hard to find that. And there. So you want to put your crowbar down. Find a nice spot. I'm gonna just put it in my hips. Well, y'all should be able to see I'm gonna put it like right here. There's like stuff blocking it, so it won't go away. And if like there's any, of course, there's any other research ones like this. Try your best not to get worse. That's why I recommend putting the crowbar down. You just make it your way to Earth. He's like double jumping. Oh my gosh. Or you can just kill yourself if you have like money. You just drop that then you should turn into the blue homes area. And there. You got your research points and company coins. So then you can unlock anything. That's really it. It's probably the fastest way, new or not, on how to get company and research points. Company coins, I'm still trying to find a way on how to do it pretty fast. I usually just get my daily and go mining, but If y'all are new, if this helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.